Make every drive a joyride with the 2024 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT from Jim Gilbert's Wheels and Deals, Canada's huggable car dealer. Packed with comfort, versatility, and family-friendly features, our Grand Caravan is ready to transform your daily commutes and weekend adventures. Whether it's school drop-offs, road trips, or hauling hockey gear, this van handles it all with ease. For less than $161 weekly, all in and $0 down, you can enjoy heated front seats for those frosty New Brunswick mornings, a remote start to warm things up, and a rear-view camera for stress-free parking. Need easy access? Our power-sliding doors and power-lift gate have you covered. Inside, the tri-zone climate control and spacious interior seating keep the whole crew happy, while the touchscreen infotainment system keeps everyone connected and entertained. At Jim Gilbert's, you're getting more than a vehicle. With our 12-month Huggable Guarantee, factory warranty, fully serviced rides, and zero-down financing, we make car buying effortless. Call us at 506-459-6832 or stop by for a test drive today. Don't forget to spin for up to $500 in free gas.
We'll give you a hot